Hi everyone, in this video I will show you a very easy way of creating a checkered pattern, and instead of squares we'll have diamonds. This pattern is also part of the theme of the month that my email subscribers receive, along with some motive ideas and color palettes at the beginning of the month. So if you need a little extra inspiration to create patterns, then join me by subscribing to my newsletter. This canvas is 3600 by 3600 pixels at 300 dpi, which is what I take for almost all of my patterns. And also it's a pattern creation canvas which you can get for free with the trial version of the pattern creation kit. I'll leave the link in the description below. To start, I'll create a new layer first, then I'll drag and drop a background color onto it. Then I'll create another new layer, take a different color and drag and drop it onto it. While this layer is selected, I'll tap on the move tool at the top left, then tap on the blue dot at the top left corner, and here I'll type 1800, which is half of the canvas size because the canvas size is 3600 pixels. I'll then go to the layers panel and create a new layer, then drag and drop a different color onto it. I'll tap on the move tool again, then tap on the blue dot at the top right corner and type 1800. Go to the layers again, create a new layer, drop another color onto it. Then tap on the move tool and then tap on the blue dot at the top left corner and type 1800. Repeat all the steps for the last quadrant of the canvas, and this time tap on the blue dot at the bottom right corner and type 1800. Now I'll select all the colored quadrants by swiping on them towards the right. Then tap on the move tool. Here select freeform at the bottom, and now just drag and bring the top and bottom blue dots to snap at the top and bottom edge of the canvas respectively, like you are seeing on the screen. You can also tap on the blue dots at the corner to check if it has snapped properly at all the edges or not. Now I'll draw a motif which I have done. I drew this ornament using the symmetry tool. Here I would suggest to draw a motif bigger and then scale it down so that you can avoid pixelation, which may happen if you do the opposite, which is drawing the element small and then scaling it bigger. So now I'll scale down this ornament. You can duplicate it once to keep a backup. Then I will duplicate the ornament and place it in the middle of each diamond. Here I'm just eyeballing the gap and trying to place it in the middle as much as possible. You can turn off the snapping option so that you'll be able to move the motif more freely. I'll now recolor all the motifs because I don't want it to be black. To do that, tap on the layer once and tap on alpha lock, or you can swipe on the layer with 2 fingers towards the right. Now taking the desired color, I'll tap on the layer once and then tap on fill layer to recolor the motif. Okay, now I'll group everything. To do that, tap on the first layer and then select the others by swiping on them towards the right and then tap on group. Now duplicate this group once by swiping it towards the left. While this group is selected, I will tap on the selection tool on the top left and then tap on save and load at the bottom, then tap on selection 1. I'll then tap on the move tool and then on flip horizontal and flip vertical at the bottom. I will deselect it and select the selection tool again, then tap on save and load. Now I'll tap on selection 2, then tap on the move tool and then on flip horizontal and flip vertical at the bottom. I'll do these steps for selection 3 and then for selection 4. Since the canvas is upside down, I'll bring it to the right direction by tapping on flip horizontal and flip vertical ones at the bottom. Now I'll just delete the background layer from the duplicate group here, and my pattern is now ready. To test it, I'll swipe downwards with 3 fingers on the screen, then tap on copy all, swipe down again and then tap on paste. I will then duplicate this flattened image layer for 3 times more so that we have 4 layers. Now I will tap on the first layer and tap on the move tool and then on the blue dot at the top left corner and type the size here, that is half of the canvas size, which is 1800 because the canvas size is 3600 pixels. Again I'll tap on the next layer, then tap on the move tool again and then on the blue dot at the top right corner and type 1800 and it will snap in place. I'll tap on the next layer, tap on the move tool and then on the blue dot at the bottom left corner and type 1800 and then tap on the last layer, tap on the move tool and then on the blue dot at the bottom right corner and type 1800. I'll merge all the layers by pinching them together with 2 fingers. You can decrease the scale of the pattern even more using this same method. Now to save it, go to the Actions menu, then tap on Share and then choose the file format that you want to save it in, and then you can save it as an image or as a file in your files folder. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to check out the free pattern creation kit that I have linked in the description because it will save you so much time. And if you would like early access to future tutorials and monthly design themes, then join my email list, which is also linked below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.